comes to Let's Talk Development Football, where feature stars and leaders of the game connect, whether a player, a coach, or a club owner, we are coming to you to talk all things development football. Mina ngumapolo bawufuze fulela mashiya mahlangatso zoshumayela ikati onyuso. I'm here joined by goalkeeper wama runners up GDL under 19 uKatlego. Katlego, please introduce yourself to our viewers at home.
Mina ngegama ngoKatlego Ramsabi ngiqhamuka eNewcastle.
uKatlego waseNewcastle NN. Katlego, ijeni yakhe iqala kuphona njengomdlali?
Ijeni yami yaqala neHighlands Park from 2020 under 15. Yaqala lapho ijeni ibhola ngangithiwa vele ekhaya ngadlali ngifike ngifika lapho.
Useshile babukela usuke ekhaya ngadlala ibhola wafika eGoli wabona ama-opportunities. He joined Highlands Park under 15 wadlala lapho achieve izinto ayi-achievile okuyena ngifisa sitshele Katlego usitshela ama-achievements wakho njenge-player njengo-goalkeeper Highlands Park.
Ama-achievements wami ukuthi ngathola ama-clean sheet awu-2021 nakule nyaka futhi ngithola amanye awu-20 ngi-champion e-GDL under 19 last year.
I-champion e-GDL under 19 last year. Namhlanje they lost i-league the-final day nge-goal difference. Mamelodi Sundowns was playing against Panorama, bona they were playing against the School of Excellence. How does it feel kunina njengama-player losing the league nge-last day nge-goal difference?
Kubuhlungu kona vele ngoba saphunyula vele kule game ya-last week tough. Kodwa vele manje ngoba ukuyiluza i-league akuyona into esiyijwayele vele ngoba kube besiwinile bekuzoba okwesithathu sithatha in-a-row sine-goal split. Kodwa vele kubuhlungu besikulindele vele lokho ngoba na-last year kwenza the very same thing. Saphunyula ngegame eyodwa sayina sasizwa-achieve ukuthi idwene sometimes thina sayina igame yethu.
Njengoba eshilo-ke babukeli bethu uKatlego ugoalkeeper we-Highlands Park bezobe beyiwina okwesithathu i-league. They lost i-league nge-goal difference namhlanje against the School of Excellence. Katlego, ithini i-relationship yakho njenge-player njengomntwana ekhaya nomzali? I-support injani football and school? Bathini abazali ekhaya?
Abazali abayiqenya ngabo kakhulu kodwa yabona ngangibacelile kahle vele ukuthi kulo nyaka ngithi ufocusa ebholini mhlawumbe nami ngithi ngithole i-team engaba ngcono kodwa next year ngiyabuyela esikoleni. Isikole ngasiqeda last year i-matric ngaphasa kahle futhi into right ukuthi manje sengimele ama-university sabuye abuyele kimi. Kodwa nje next year shokuthi manje ngithole i-team ngesikoleni ne-support ayo ukhona vele. Ngiyamfaka ku-TV kanje ngiyafona ekhaya ukuthi baba sicela ungibukele lapho ababize bonke bemndeni abasimelane nawushabalayo bese-ke bayabuka i-support ngikhona ubaba vele naye ngogolkeeper. Manje lokho ngisho ukuthi mfana ngidana udlale kanje wadlala kanje kodwa manje ngoba thina sadlala kanje kumele yenze kanje nanje ne-oledi nayo nayangifaka i-full support. Yabona manje kuqeda ukungifonela ukuthi antanami izinto ezikanje zenzeka kodwa nje mina ngiyazi ngayo.
Seshilo abazali bayamsupporta kakhulu. Umama une-support, emotional support, ubaba emotional support, uphinde am-advise futhi njengoba ubaba naye adlalile kwibhola. Katlego, sengizovala nje. Mawubuka i-development yase-South Africa as a whole, are we doing justice as a country to i-development yethu? Kunabantu abafana nabo-Relly Mofokeng, Mbokazi, Mdu, Mfundo who are doing well. Kunabo-Tebisi ku-under 17 who are doing well. Kunabo-Witboy under 17 who are doing well. Mawubuka i-South Africa, i-development yase-South Africa comparing to other countries, are we doing justice?
For me, not really, because mongathi uyabheka bonke labantu ongibukele bona basuka kulama big team. Mongathi uyabheka urile kodwa noma suka kwi-school yena vele yabo khona umuntu omscout kodwa nje sobiza abantu abaningi abadlala kuma-team amakhulu njengoba nathi la i-team sinabo abantu abadeliver kwala kodwa manje ngoba i-team yethu sethi ukuthi ukwehla isithunzi kancane asisabizwa yabo. Akhona abantu mhlawumbe ekhaya nje abantu abadelivayo ukuthi badlale emaligi ngathi kuba ngcono. Thina angiyiboni nje justice nhlobo la kule South Africa.
Useshilo ukuthi uKatlego yena ngokwakhe babukeli akalwina muntu umbono wakhe ukuthi akayiboni i-justice ikhona ngoba mangibala labadlali engibabalayo ukuthi they are doing well baqhamuka kuma-team amakhulu. But kunama-team kunabantwana basemakasi who deserve to be kuleya bigger stage but they are not in that bigger stage because of opportunities. Babukeli bethu-ke thina njenge-Let's Talk Development Football so lokho siya lapho nalapho to make sure ukuthi siyawaveza ama-opportunities azo zonke iy'ntwana. Siyabonga kakhulu Katlego ukuthi ube nathi. Sicela utshela ababukeli bethu ukuthi we are watching Let's Talk Development Football.
You are now watching Let's Talk Development.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Sure.
Chapter 9.